Hello. It's Wednesday and I haven't slept properly for about 2 weeks, so I'm in a foul mood. This is my blue bed, or should be the blue bed, as I explained in my first video. The house is painted kind of very light sky blue with white window frames, etc., and deeper blue doors. And when I wasn't in an utterly foul mood, I thought it would be fun to try and match that with the flowers in here. But as you can see, there isn't a blue flower anywhere to be seen, unless you count this little thing that is a leftover cheap Asda disposable plant that should have died in the winter but didn't. Other than that, no blue. So I bought some blue things on the internet and they were supposed to be delivered 2 days ago according to tracking, but they decided it would be better to just take them out for delivery and then take them back to the depot and then eventually turn up days later. So we'll see if they're dead or not. Ordinarily I would be quite annoyed about this, but I suppose in the current scenario they've probably got better things to deliver, so I shouldn't really complain. So I was walking to the supermarket when I saw someone's front garden full of little blue flowers, and I actually stopped and gazed at their garden so long that they came out and asked me what I was looking at, and I said, "What are these little blue flowers?" And they said, "Forget-me-nots." And I thought, oh yeah, of course they are. Forget-me-nots are like one of my earliest memories, not just of the garden but of anything. I think I must have been about 4 when I found some in the back garden. So I ordered some online, even though it's now Wednesday, and as of today garden centres are open again, and I could have just gone and got some down the road and saved a lot of cost of packing. Plus these are plug plants, whatever the hell they are. So yeah, here we go, my stunningly healthy plants. Originally I just googled buy forget-me-not plants, and for some bizarre reason you can't just buy a normal plant like any other garden plant. You can get seeds or you can get plug plants. So I google plug plants and it says they turn up and they're little weak little shoots, and you pot them on, put them in a greenhouse until they're big and strong to survive planting out properly. So like I said, I don't have a greenhouse. I thought I'll take a gamble that they'll come from the nursery in pretty good nick and I'll be able to put them in the ground and they'll just survive anyway. So some of the ones in this tray, that seems like I've got half a chance. This tray looks far less promising. But anyway, I suppose I'll put these in here somewhere. And what I'm thinking is that along this wall I've got all of these cascadey things that are supposed to come over the front of it, but along the other edge I haven't really got anything planted or anything planned, so I'll probably just put some here, most of them along there, maybe some on the other side just for balance. Here we go, I've planted half a dozen of them. And I put the other 4 from that box of 10 into that corner. So that box is now empty. There's 4 of them. There's 6 of the best ones. There's the other 5 that look barely worth even bothering to take out of the thing. I suppose I should give myself at least a bit of credit, because the only reason I bought 15 is because, well, it said minimum 10, and I thought, well, I really want about 10 probably, but I bought some more because I figured some of them would probably die. So what brilliant foresight that was. Put the remaining 5 in, 3 of them here, in the sort of front left corner, and then this, if that counts as a plant and not just a bedraggled lump of dead leaf, and then number 5 here. So we'll see how they get on. So there you go, planted some forget-me-nots, and I probably should have shown you all sorts of interesting things, like the fact that this herb Robert weed came up with all that length of root. But I'm just not in the mood.